Hi everyone. Just wanted to share with you real quick this beautiful mudra called the Adi Mudra. It's called the first mudra or the Primal Mudra, and it's supposed to help promote relaxation, mental calm, turning inward. And the thought of it is that the reason it's called first or primal is that it mirrors the first hand gesture made by the baby in the womb. So how you do it is you bring your thumb in like that, and then you just fold over your other fingers, okay? And then you just rest it. I can scoot back here as you can see. Come to a nice Suhasana or easy seated pose, and you just rest your hands face down on top of your knees, okay? So back is long, ears over shoulders, neck is long. And it reminds us also that we have layers of our complex beings with layers, and to turn inward, to listen to our heart, listen to ourselves, help to maybe drown out some of that exterior noise that we all hear. So if you soften or close your eyes and just notice your breath, notice your thoughts, and we don't have to do anything with it. We can just notice it and let it keep going by. All right, thank you. Bye.